This is the series, Shopify Promotion, Grow with BOGOS app. In this video, I'll show you how to create a discount on either the cheapest or most expensive item in your customer's cart. To set this up, just search for BOGOS in your Shopify App Store, and you'll see BOGOS Free Gift Bundle Upsell, a leading promotion app with over 2,000 reviews and a 4.9 average rating. Then install BOGOS app for your Shopify store. Step 1. Go to BOGOS Dashboard, then click All Offers. You will choose Create Offers and select Discount Offer, and finally, the discount on cheapest, most expensive item. Step 2. Set up your offer information. First, let's give your offer a title to internally manage. Then, create the content that customers will see on your store by moving to the Display on Widget section. You can add a widget title like Buy 2, get 20% off cheapest item. And don't forget to add a block description to help customers understand the deal better. Finally, set your start and end times of this promotion. Step 3. This is where you choose which products this offer applies to. There are several options here. Next is an important option, Count Unique Products Only. This determines how BOGOS counts items for your discount qualification. As you can see, there are two choices here, unique by product and unique by variant. And of course, you can ignore it by not selecting this button. Next, I'll dive into how each option works with a real example. Imagine a customer adds these items to their cart: 2 long pants, a blue t-shirt, a brown t-shirt, and a white pair of shoes. Now, if you don't enable Count Unique Products Only, all 5 items are counted separately, giving you a total of 5 items. But if you enable Unique by Product, things change. The 2 t-shirts count as one product type, and so do the 2 pants. Therefore, your total becomes 3 items: pants, t-shirts, and shoes. And finally, if you choose Unique by Variant, each variant counts separately. The 2 long pants will count it as 1, so your total is 4 items. Step 4. Create your pricing tiers. This is where you control exactly how much discount customers get and when they qualify for it. First, choose whether you want to discount the cheapest or the most expensive item. Second, finish setting up the tier structure with the number of items customers need to buy to qualify for the tier, then set how many items to apply the discount. After that, you need to select your discount type for this tier. Finally, set the value for it. The label text is where your message is conveyed to customers, so use simple, concise, and conversational content. You can also encourage larger purchases by adding more tiers and easily delete them. This Multiply Last Tier option will decide whether you apply the discount multiple times for the largest tier or not. Step 5. Coming to the next part, create a custom discount code. This section allows you to customize your discount codes that match your brand. You can also control how this discount combines with other available offers, order discount or shipping discount, or both of them. And finally, once all essential setup is done, check the widget in the preview and ensure everything is correctly created, then hit Publish to make your offer go live. And in the next part, let's see how this discount offer works in a store. As you can see, the widget clearly displays all tiers. Now, I will add a product to my cart to show you how it works in action. As you can see, the cheapest item is free now. Next, to make your widget truly stand out, customize its display to match your brand. You can see this offer includes 2 main parts, the discount widget and the See All Products modal. When it comes to the discount widget, first look on your right to preview and pick your widget display style, compact or full width. Then set the number of products you want to display and choose your offer tier style between checklist or bullet list. Next, customize the colors to match your brand identity. The See All Products modal is where you configure how many products display per row on both desktop and mobile. With all that done, let's finish by clicking Save, and your customized discount widget is ready to go. So, ready to implement this profit-friendly discount strategy and boost your average order value? Start today with BOGOS for free. Check the link in the description below.